Hello friends, are you facing these types of issue? Windows script host cannot find the script file .vbs. Okay, I'm going to fix this issue. For the first method, you have to check your malware setting. Even if you think your PC is clean, on a scan, many viruses use .vbs startup scripts. Okay, how can we scan your PC? Go to the Windows security option. That security. After, go to the virus and threat protection and just here choose the scan option and just click the full scan and scan now. Okay, click the scan now. This is the first method. Now second method is that what you have to do is press Ctrl Shift plus Escape to open the text manager. And after, go to the Startup tab, and here you have to find out if there is something suspicious or unknown entries, especially once mentioning the .vbs. If you find there are some applications entered there with .vbs, what you have to do is just right click and disable that. Okay, now the third step is that go to the register editor and press Windows R and type reg break edit. Okay, register editor, and here you have to go to ASCII local machine and go to the software, and under the software you have to go to the Microsoft. Under Microsoft you have to go to Windows NT, find out Windows NT here, Windows. Here is the Windows NT, and I have to choose the current version, and here you have to find out WinLogon. There is the WinLogon, and here you can find out the user int. Have you user I? Okay, you have to find this, and the value should normally be like this. See, Windows System 32 user int .exe. Okay, this is the normal value, right? If you see something like wscript.exe here, then delete that part and reach to the correct value. Okay, in my case this is the right value here. Now next is the reset default script host setting. Reset the default script host setting. Okay, press Windows R and type edit, enter S. After, go to the ASCII local machine again, go to software and go to the Microsoft here. From the M, Microsoft, then after type Windows script host. Here is the Windows script host, and go to the setting. Okay, make sure your settings should be like this. The method is that press Windows R and type ms task csd.msc. It's okay, and go to the text editor library here. There is, if you find out here some .vbs type file which are the unknown. Okay, if you find here unknown.vbs file, just right click and delete. Okay, and delete from here. And after, what I have to do is just go to start menu and restart your computer and check your problem fixed or not. Fixed problem, then let me know in the comment box. Guys, Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.